Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are watching me on Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, in my last video, I have told you about some ways to speak good English and how can you improve your speaking skills in English. Guys, today I will tell you about some questions which you use in your daily conversation or in your general conversation and you speak all them in wrong manner. I will tell you about all those questions. So guys, first question which we when ask people or if anybody asks you that what is your name, your answer is myself Shreya, myself Ajit or myself so and so. You know one thing, it is a wrong answer. It's not a correct answer. You have to say my name is Shreya, my name is Ajit or my name is so and so. Or you can say I am Shreya or I am so and so. It means I am using my name. You have to use your name. You don't have to say I am Shreya. You have to use your name with I am. But guys, you have to use my name is so and so or you have to say I am so and so, not myself. You know one thing, if you will give this answer in your job interview, you may be rejected from there. You will be definitely rejected from there if you will give this answer. So guys, never use this sentence again. There is no such sentence in English in which we can use myself with our name. However, you can say, may I introduce myself, but you cannot use myself with your name. Okay guys, so from next time, if anybody will ask your name, what is your name, you have to say I am so and so or my name is so and so. Now guys, the second question which we when ask people or if anybody will ask you, your answer will be now the question is, firstly, what are you doing? Your answer will be, I am pursuing BTech. I am pursuing MA. I am pursuing PE. You know one thing, it is also a wrong answer. If you are giving this answer, you are again making a big mistake. You should never give this answer. You know the mean of pursue is? The mean of pursue is to run after. Are you running after your MA? Are you running after your BTech? Are you running after your BE? No, right? So you should never use pursue for your qualification or for your studies. You have to say I am studying BTech, I am studying MA or you can say I am doing MA or I am doing BE but never pursue. I don't know from where this word pursue comes for qualification or for your studies. You should never use this. So guys, from now, if anybody will ask you what is your name and what are you doing, so what you have to say, my name is so and so or I am so and I am doing BTech, I am doing MA or I am studying MA. You can say this but not pursuing, not myself. So guys, now the third question comes, what do you want to do? What do you want to do is the third question and your answer is, I want to do a job. When we ask somebody this question that what do you want to do, they give answer, I want to do a job. What kind of job? They don't know what kind of job. They don't specify. You know, the doing a job means a small task. If you are giving this answer, I want to do a job, doing the job means a small task. If I say that I am doing a job or if I say that I am coming here and I am giving a lecture to you, I am teaching you only for 1 hour, then I can say I am doing a job. But if I want to say that I am coming here daily, I am giving you lecture daily, on a daily basis I am coming to teach you, then I can't say I want to do a job. I can say I am working on my YouTube channel, or if you want to say I want to do a job, you can't say, you have to say I want to become a YouTuber. I want to become a teacher. You can't say, I want to do a job. So, guys, from next time, never use this sentence, I want to do a job. You have to say, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a doctor, or anything else, but not, I want to do a job. Okay, guys? And if you want to bring fluency in your English, if you want to become a good speaker in English, then you have to practice two things. One is to speak daily in English. You have to speak only in English, not in your own language, not in your native language. You have to speak whatever you want to speak only in English. I know you can't say the complete sentence in English, so you can say 4 to 5 words in one sentence in English and rest of the words in Hindi for 1 or 2 days. And after 1 or 2 days, you have to say 5 to 6 words in English, and after that, rest of the words in Hindi or in your native language. And after 6 to 7 days, or you can say after 1 week, you have to say complete sentence in only English. You can't speak in Hindi or in your native language. I know your confidence may be very low. In the starting days, your confidence will be very low and you might not be aware about some words. So you have to find the meaning of those words, but you have to speak them in English. Okay, guys? And after that, after some days, you will see the difference in yourself. Then you comment me in the comment section what difference you have seen, how much fluency you have brought in your English. Now, guys, the second problem is people are not aware. They don't have ideas. They don't have awareness. What does it mean? It means if I say that, tell me something about political issues in India, or economic crisis in India. If I say, tell me about COVID-19 crisis in India, tell me 15 to 20 sentences about these topics. You can't say. Why? Because you don't have any idea. You are not aware. So you can't say anything. So what you have to do, you have to develop your ideas, you have to develop your awareness along with developing your speaking skills in English. You have to also develop your ideas and awareness, because if you will not be aware, then you will not be able to say anything about anything. So guys, problem is not English there. If you don't have any idea about anything, problem is not English there. Problem is awareness. So develop your awareness also along with your English. Okay, guys, so this much in today's video. If you have any queries, then please ask me in the comment section. I will definitely resolve all your queries. I will definitely give all your answers, because I want to make you very fluent in English. So guys, please ask me. I will be very happy if you will ask any question to me. Okay guys, if you like my video, then please press the like button. If you want to get the latest video updates of my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.